Quite a busy place really, Sheffield, I suppose, isn't it? What are you saying, Paul? So good morning. Today I'm on a full day's networking at the Elite Business Academy, EBA, over in Sheffield. I'm going to take you on a ride to show you about and see what goes on. Very fantastic. I've had a lot of business out of this networking group over the years, so I'm just going to drive over to my brother's in Morley, and then he's going to drive the rest of the way to Sheffield. So I'll take you on the journey. Pulled up at my brother's here over in Morley. I think I can see him standing here. We'll just see how he's getting on. He's there, look, just talking to his neighbour. Say hello, Paul.
Hello, Paul.
This is my brother Paul. He's part of the Elite Business Academy as well. So we're just going for a day networking over in Sheffield.
Looking forward to it.
What businesses do you have then, Paul?
So marketing, both marketing, so Noisy Bird digital marketing, which concentrates on like paid ads, Google ads, Facebook ads, and then Zap websites as well, which concentrates on pay monthly websites. And we're about to get
better get out of the road, yeah. Oh, thanks for that. So we're just pulling up here at the OEC Centre in Sheffield.
Right, OEC?
This is where the EBA, it's a new place actually. We used to be at another place in Sheffield, but we've moved here now. The OEC. You're over there, don't you? Here's the OEC, Sheffield. Not sure where we go yet, but we'll find out. You ready, Paul? You noticed he's got his company name there, look, Zap websites, and then Paul Baisley, that's his other company, Noisy Bird Digital Marketing. I've got mine, you can see, Airedale Fencing.
Alright, this place, isn't it?
Yeah. What is that truck?
Upstairs, downstairs, upstairs.
That's toilets.
Hello, how you doing?
How you doing?
Hello.
Alright.
Alright.
How you doing? Yeah.
You're right.
This is Craig. You alright, Craig?
I'm good, mate. I'm good. I'm
Hello, you alright?
How
How
you
you
doing?
doing? Yeah, good, good.
Oh, you want me to sing now, don't you?
Yes, please.
How you doing? Alright. This is Emily. You alright, Emily?
Nice to meet you.
She organises a lot of EBA events, stuff like that. This is Craig's lovely wife. How you doing?
Thank
Sarah.
you.
Checking everybody in, checking that they've actually paid. Look,
Yeah, me too.
I'll take you around.
see you in a bit. Introduce yourself, Chris.
Hi, I'm Chris, Chris on the line, social media marketing at the EBA.
And this is your first event at EBA, is it?
Yeah, first time ever.
Looking forward to it.
Yeah, nice to meet some new people.
I'm sure you will. Sure you get a lot of business out of it as well. Everybody coming in now, look. Taking the seats.
He's a marketing coach and he's a motivational speaker. So can I please ask for everybody to stand up and give a huge warm welcome to the founder of the Elite Business Academy, Craig Wilkinson.
Well, let's see your side. I've got you. That's a full day networking done on the EBA here. We're just going to the car now, we're just going to go to the hotel. Me and our kid here. Go get changed and probably meet up with this lot here behind. So I might take a few tonight, might not. See how it goes. Down the hotel. Not too bad.
Boxes there.
Our Paul never brings any toiletries with him, we've always got to supply him. So we're just about to go out into town, Sheffield centre. We'll see what the night brings. No, so it's quite busy. What are you going to drink tonight in all these fancy yuppie bars?
I have a shandy cocktail.
What you just had in there? Guinness?
Ooh,
Love
lovely.
Guinness. Well, I love Guinness, I'm not sure about you.
Lovely porter, authentic Irish porter.
Just waiting for his lift. Wilco's picking us up. Main man from EBA. Good of him. So we just checked out a hotel in Sheffield night. Had a good night last night. Just getting in Lilla's car to go home. Good night.
Alright?
Enjoyed your kebab last night?
Very nice.
It was. Paul had a lamb one. I had a... Did you have a lamb one?
Yeah.
Yeah, I had a chicken one. Very nice. Anyway, travelling back now. Catch up in a bit.